tutorials, known as NEAT, are aimed at students and provide a how-to guide for completing the NEA for A-Level Geography and are applicable to all exam boards. They are a series of tutorials which are presented as short, on-demand videos and mapped to the stages of the route to inquiry. Each module of NEAT is split into smaller sessions which are designed to ask questions of you and your investigation. They do not give you the answers. The tutorials provide you with the tools to critically approach your investigation and reflect on what you have learned. The exam boards are very clear about the level of independence required by learners at different stages of the investigation. Independent work means you must work alone. Collaboration allows you to work as a class, in a group or a pair. The table shows a minimum level of independence required at each stage. Collaboration is not essential at any point and you can choose to work on your own at all stages of the investigation. The NEAT contents page allows you to track your progress through the tutorials and easily access the sessions in each module. There are also links to help you and reference documents to support you with each stage of the inquiry process. You can also access the NEAT modules via your phone or tablet by downloading the Moodle app. The non-exam assessment tutorials are available to be purchased for £12, which gives you access for a year. If you would like more information, please visit our website.